Here we are, Sunday. No time to rest. It's sprinkler repair day. Let's go tell the missus. Let's see if she gets excited. What time is it? You know what time it is.
Sprinkler time.
Like a machine, they never forget. See you outside.
Sprinkler time. The queen has spoken.
She's gonna whack me with that thing. You just gonna fix it yourself?
Yep.
I wanted to show everybody what was wrong with it.
Uh-oh. I messed up.
Yes, you did. You messed up big time.
Big time.
Guess what? It's raining. We have to pack it up.
You planned that to happen.
Alright, stop. You're gonna break something. It looks cross-threaded anyway.
It's going in there.
Anyway, this sprinkler head is busted here. It's squirting down. What's gonna happen now?
Rain delay.
Rain delay. Good call. Power play. The old rain delay. The rain delay is over. Marcy went to do an errand. I'm going to show you real quickly what's broken out here. I got like 3 or 4 problems. Well, I got the front yard on. Let's go see what's happening here. The front yard's good. There it is. Now I just gotta locate the other head. The one that's missing. Oh, found it. Just as I thought. Oh yeah. Now see here. Oh, the sprinkler head was chopped off. There it is. Oh, see, these are Nelson heads. She bought, what do you call it? Rainbird. What are the odds? They'd be the same size. Slim and none. Alright, here's the situation. You see what happened, right? The nipple got cut off. Everybody don't want to dig that up. There it is. Little problem. I'm using a Nelson head right now, and I don't have one. But I got a coupling, so we're gonna make up the difference with a nipple and a coupling, like so. Okay, like that. Oh, yeah, baby. There it is. It should be in there. Here's the 180. Alright, I just got lucky. Here's how you keep from getting wet. Bucket over the sprinkler head to keep yourself from getting wet on the test. This is the one Marcy couldn't wait. Blown out sprinkler head. I don't know what's wrong with it. We're going to replace it. Miss Marcy couldn't get this one. As you see, it's all washed out. In charge here, and guess what she did? Is this 180? Half circle. Nope, we don't want that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off of here. Oh, I'm gonna need this nozzle off of this one here, because this is only a little strip of grass. So I'm gonna rob this head, and don't forget your screens. See, clean this out here, and I'm robbing this head off of it, because this is only a little 3-foot strip. Oops. Almost took out my eye. Let's get this to the... Oh, don't hurt your nail. Boom. Leave that in there. See, this is 180. This is just for a strip. I won't even tell her. And then, just like so. This is actually easier than plumbing. We're ready to go for the test. Success. And we have something over here. Oh, right here. This one here is not popping up, so we gotta figure this one out. Now here's a trick, folks. Your sprinkler head gets stuck open. This is from a true pro, Kurt Marone. He gave me this trick. Spray it down with some CRC or WD-40 and it'll work fine. For the pesky sprinkler heads that stay up, it should work now. Let's go to this one here. This one's broken, I believe. Ugh. Now this one won't go up. Might even be broken. I don't know. Just spray it. We'll spray it, see what happens. There we go, 180. one more 180. We'll change the screen while we're here. I'll be honest with you, I don't like working on sprinklers. Do it, Marcy. Whoa, look at that. No screen. Huh. That ain't no good. No wonder it's clogged. Give it a go, ski. Just keep doing this until it sets up. It'll start working, trust me. CRC or WD-40 is my go-to on the sprinkler heads. Then if I don't get it, the lawnmower does. Current time, each zone, the days, and the start times. So we're going to water Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 5 minutes each zone. Very small lawn, as you saw. And that's it. And this ought to make Miss Marcy very happy. There you have it. Sorry, Miss Marcy, couldn't wait for you. Oh, perfect time, and here she comes. I'm all done. You weren't here to supervise. You're speechless all of a sudden?
I don't have anything to say. I had the goat though.
The goat.
You're the goat.
I'm the goat. Greatest of all time. See you at the next one.